Find a position that makes you feel most comfortable. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. One more time. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. No forcing, just letting it flow. And for the rest of this meditation, we're going to breathe in and out through our nose. With every breath, you're letting your body know everything is okay. Feel any stress, tension, any worries slowly melting away. The only thing that matters is this present moment. Keeping your eyes closed, bring your attention to the top of your head. Feel your entire head slowly relax. Let go of any tension in your forehead. Relax your eyebrows, your eyes. Release any tension you might be holding in your mouth, your tongue. Relax your lips, your jaw. Feel your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your fingertips relax. Relax your chest, your upper back, your lower back. Release any tension you might be holding in your stomach. Relax your hips, your glutes, your legs. Relax your feet. Feel your body completely relaxed. Enjoy this moment of stillness. Allow yourself to feel gratitude for this moment of peace and calm. Remember that this feeling is available to you anytime. Thank you for joining me for this moment of peace and calm. Namaste.